Hi, good evening, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, my request is for all trainees, if your mic is not in use, please mute yourself. And if you get any kind of question, you can unmute. Okay, so welcome on and thank you for being there today. I really appreciate your time. And first of all, I am giving my brief introduction. I am Pooja and I am working as an experienced data analyst and mentor for several technologies as well. And today, our main motive is to get together here. We will discuss the role of the data analyst. Okay, so you can get the idea what is the role of data analyst, and if you enroll in this course, what you are going to learn. Okay, so without wasting the time, we are going to discuss the our curriculum and you can say our course. What is the structure? So I hope you all are able to see the screen. Okay, if you see, it is the job placement camp, and it is a very latest technology data analyst. Instead of coding, if you want to give a early quick career start to your career, then data analyst can be a good choice. Okay, so it is a job placement camp where you are going to learn every technology and tool which will be helpful to grab the knowledge regarding the data analyst. Okay, after that, it's a job placement. You will be able to get the help for the resume building, and then you will be able to prepare your interview, you can say help, and then you will be able to see. Okay, this help to diploma students as well, right? If you are a graduated, if you are post graduated, if you are already working as a any programmer like Android, Web, Java, Python, no matter whatever technology, if you are already working, then also you are able to learn this technology. No prerequisite is there. Okay, so fresher can also learn and diploma students also. Okay, after that, uh, what you get in this our course, you will get live courses, live project, resume building, and mock interviews will be there, and certification by the Limitless Learning, which is the, you can say, very impressive, and it will help you to grab a job. And job assistant, we have tied up with multiple kind of platforms, and then we will provide you a assured job assistance there. And data analyst, you
With
can say,
Naukri.com, okay? With Naukri.com.
okay, for the average salary package, you can say the average salary package up to 32 LPA means it's a very good point to start your career, because if you move to any kind of programming term, you have to learn at least one programming language till advanced level, right? But data analyst is a platform where you can just start with the small basic to intermediate level, and then after 3 months of learning, you will be ready to give the interview, and you will be able to grab the job in a good IT field. Okay, then after this, okay, so can you please move the slide? Okay, so it's the course module. Okay, in that you can say we are going to learn a data analyst, and some tools are there like Excel we will learn. And with if you see in the sub topic, within every module you will see the project is available. Okay, project is available, and with SQL database we will consider one programming language, we will do Python programming. In the Python programming, you will learn every concept whichever are mandatory to learn in data analyst. Uh, then data type, like these are kind of basic topic in the Python, and then after that we will move to intermediate concept also. If you enroll as data analyst, one programming language is necessary. That's why we are learning this Python data. science, and in that we need to learn. You don't have to understand expert level, but intermediate level we have to understand. Like data libraries are there which can be used to analyze the data. I am using this term analyze, visualize. So if you will start your career, then you will be able to understand like what is analyze. Okay, analyze means if you are reading the data and how quickly you are understanding. So for that term, and if you see all these libraries are there, like stat means for testing purpose we are going to use. And if you want to transform the data, like you have data and how you will use the filter, means cleaning term, for that we have exploratory term. So we are going to use this thing. And then after this module, if you see data visualization is now the term. If you are able to see the data, how you will visualize the data. So for that we have, you can say, Power BI and Tableau also. Due to some reason Tableau is not mentioned here, it's some kind of misprinted. But here you will see first Power BI tool for data visualization. In that you can create the dashboards, and after that you will be able to learn Tableau also, which is the fast and the vast tool to visualize the data. And in both tools you will be able to create your own dashboards. For example, sales dashboard. And if you want to create the dashboard for the COVID, you can see it's the latest, and you can create dashboard for that also, because you will learn from scratch to advanced level. And then machine learning is a complementary. Recorded content is there, you will get it in optional. Okay, it is the tools. And what will be the course outcome there, what will you get? So there is a upskill with the latest industry practice, and you will be able to get your first job. And if you want to switch to the IT sector, I I can assume like maybe you are from medical science or from science, from arts, commerce, from everywhere. You will be able to switch to the IT sector, and back package are available, and you will be able to work on the real data and projects. Then tool technology, like whatever I have shown, told you, it's available here: Excel, Python, database, Power BI, machine learning, and Tableau. Okay, projects detail is there, whatever projects we are going to use. These are some major project. Along with that, as I told, you will be able to understand several kind of project, like sales record we will work, and IBM HR analytics, HR attrition. With the help of this kind of you can say project, you will be able to understand this. And after that it's some kind of placement companies are available who are hiring the data analyst at a major role. Okay, so that's it for the, you can say, our course. But after that I am going to tell you what is the purpose of data analyst, why you have to learn. Okay, for this I will share my screen. Just give me a moment. Okay, sir, can you please stop your screen sharing?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay, so I hope it's visible. And
Yeah, it's visible.
okay, so what is the agenda for today? First of all, it's the webinar for data analyst. Here we are going to discuss what is the introduction of the data analyst, why you have to choose, what is the role of data analyst, key skills, what are the required for data analyst, tool and technology, and then I will show you the real time dashboard also. Okay, then we will introduce Q&A, means question and answer session, where if you have any kind of doubt, you can just clear with us. Okay, so first of all, the role of a data analyst. What is it? A data analyst is a professional who collect, organize, clean, and analyze the data to help the organizations to make informed business decision. If you see, a lot of Excel sheets are available with a lot of data. Okay, but you can say it's not manageable. So to reduce that effort, we introduce data analyst in which we can create the dashboard in a graphical representation. It's easy to manage the data. So what will be your responsibility there? If you enter as a data analyst, data collection means you have to collect the data, you have to filter it, you have to visualize it, you have to generate some reports, and trends and patterns, like what kind of charts you are using, and how will if you are a user of your dashboard, how will you get it? So you have to prepare it accordingly. Then these are some key skill what you have to learn. In technical, we have to learn one database at least, which can be used to store data, SQL and database management, to for data visualization tool, Tableau and Power BI, as I told. For stat analysis and modeling, we can use the programming language R or Python. But Python is the very latest language, so you can use that one. In soft skill, instead of technical skill, we need soft skill also, like communication and presentation. How you are communicating with your team member, how you are explaining the data, and how you are presenting it. It's not like that you are just creating the column and you are sharing the data. It's a matter to represent the data. Problem solving and analytical thinking. If data is there, how will you read it? Okay, business acumen and industry knowledge. You should grab some kind of knowledge, like analyze knowledge. How will you read that? These are some tools for visualization. We are going to use Power BI and Tableau. For stat, Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Some kind of basic libraries we require to analyze the data. And then Excel, you will learn Excel too from basic to advanced level. Database management system is there. In that you will learn Microsoft SQL Server, means MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server. Both are same. PostgreSQL also can be used, but with you can say data analyst latest database SQL is running on. Real world data analytics. How you can consider it as, like if you want to analyze customer purchase behavior to inform it to market strategy, how will you show? Let me show you the real hands-on project here. Okay, so first of all, this is my data source. Okay, these are my data. If you can see, okay, it's a lot of data is there. And if non-technical background, from non-technical background, any student is there, how they will understand? Like this data is there, it's just like a Excel sheet, and if you write formula, it will be a little lengthy and time consuming. So you will get this data set. Now we need to represent it to graphical user interface. So for that, so it's the dashboard, means after running the, you can say after running the database, you will be able to understand this. Okay, how you can create the data dashboard. So for this, like if you want to find the total sales of this one, let's say I want to find out the global sales. Okay, and start date, let's say 1992, and till 2020, suppose. Okay, I want to find the total sale of the global sales year, and date is from 1992 to 2020. So what is this outcome? Total sale by January, means this was the total sale. Action is this, adventure is this, fighting is this, means graphical representation. Okay, sales by year and the generation, that's it. What was the total name in dataset, means how much publisher, how many username are there, how many platform where you have set it the data. What was the top 10 platform, like there were 16,598 publishers or platform. So among from them, what were, how many top 10 platforms were there and which were? So here you can see DSPS, WIE, like this lot of platforms were there, but these are the top 10. And if you want to find out the top 10 sales by the name, then this one. Means everything are upgrading here. If you change the value, everything will be there because in that year no sales were made. Okay, so if I will change the value, then again it will change. Means only two sales were there, which is the highest. Okay, if I will increase, then five, means values are changing quickly. But now also there can be a little confusion, how will you get, like it is the sale or these are the publisher, how will you make? So that's the course here, why you have to enroll there. From this sheet, okay, like here you can say view the data. Okay, wherever you want to view. Okay, this one, remove relationship. Just give me a moment. Yeah, this one I will show you here. Okay, it's the real hands-on project, that's why it's showing. Okay, executing, let me show you. Here if you see, all the data is there. Okay, I use this vgsales.csv, means this kind of files are there. Okay, you can use anyone. This is for the Netflix. Like this you will see all data is there. So from this Excel sheet you have to create this kind of dashboard. This kind of dashboard you will be able to create. Means that's the you can say purpose of this data analyst course. Any kind of doubt there? If any question you can ask, or if it's clear send me thumbs up.
Guys, you have any question? Please ask. Any doubt? Guys, any kind of questions? Okay, one thumbs up. Yes. So, Pooja, one more question. I'm asking.
Yes.
Okay. So, कुछ लोग कभी का क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स पूछ नहीं पाते हैं उन लोगों को शायद डाउट
Hmm.
रहता है या हेजिटेशन भी रहता है तो
Hmm.
क्या रहता है क्यों डेटा एनालिस्ट करना चाहिए या फिर इससे हमको और क्या आगे बढ़ सकता है फ्यूचर कैसा रह सकता है ऐसा क्या है तो ये थोड़ा ये स्टूडेंट्स को और जानना है थोड़ा कैन यू क्लियर दिस थिंग व्हाई व्हाई वी हैव टू क्लियर दिस थिंग मींस कितना पैकेज लगता है या फिर हमें कौन कौन सी एमएनसी कंपनीज में लग सकता है हमें बाहर जाने के चांसेस आफ्टर अदर कंट्रीज है ना यूएस कनाडा यहाँ पे जैसे जाने के चांसेस इफ वी आर गेटिंग तो कैन यू क्लियर दिस थिंग दिस क्वेश्चन ये मोस्टली इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को लेके
Yes, right. Miss, as I told, it's a great option if you want to give a kick. You can say early quick kick to your career. Then you can enroll it as a data analyst, and within 3 months, you will be able to get a job. Even I'm saying like 3 months is more than. Even in 2 months, also you will be able to crack the interviews. But if you spend at least 3 to 4 hours in a day for the 3 months dedicatedly, you will be able to grab your job as data analyst. And once you entered as a data analyst, you will learn Python. So after that, if you want to change your career, let's say you entered as a junior analyst, in that also you are going to get 8 to 9 LPA. Means minimum starting, you can say it will start from there if you entered in MNC. And after that, if you want to promote yourself as a, you can say, at a hike, and then you can entered as a senior data analyst, and then business analyst, and after that data science. Means there is a huge scope where you can change your technology. And yes, one of the student is asking the doubt. Yeah, if you learn only the Power BI, then also you will be able to get a job. But if you learn both, like Power BI and Tableau, because you can say Power BI and Tableau both are very similar. So if you learn one, it is easy to learn another tool also. It's an advantage. And some of the MNC means, you can say, which are reputed, so they are asking for the bot technology, and it's an advantage. Because if they hire Power BI developer, and then they will find Tableau developer also. Okay, so they will give some kind of less package to you and other package part to them. Means they have to divide according to the requirement. But if you learn both, it's an advantage for you. You can get a hike, you can say you can get a good hike on your salary. But if you, and why you have to learn data analyst only? Okay, I'm not saying another technologies are not good. They are quite good if you consider it as web development, android development. But these are time consuming if you enter come from different domain. Okay, if you enter from different domain, you have to spend at least 1 year, then you will be able to grab the job as a uh, coding developer. You can say it either, it can be Java, Kotlin. In that you have to learn front end, back end, database, APIs, everything. But data analyst is a fast and the vast way to enter in IT field. And after then you can move ahead. You can select any kind of programming language. You can move to Python developer. But for a early cake, you can I recommend you to enter as a data analyst also. Anything else? If you want to clear, you can ask.
Guys, somebody have direct question, बात करो यार, please talk.
If you want, you can talk in Hindi also. No matter.
Yeah, no problem, not an issue.
Okay, doubt is clear.
No question. तो गाइस, मोस्टली आई थिंक वी विल क्लियर योर डाउट्स एंड इसमें एक और डाउट रहता है, बहुत सारे बच्चों को रहता है कि हम कोई और ग्रेजुएशन से हैं, अदर फील्ड से हैं, हमने अदर कोई कंपनीज में काम किया है, वी हैव डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 10 year, and if he want to upgrade their स्किल्स, वो दूसरे फील्ड में जाना चाहता है और हायर पैकेज उसको मिलने चाहते हैं, तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड काइंड ऑफ कोर्स टू बिल्ड देयर करियर. तो वो बहुत ही
Hmm.
अच्छा जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आपको ये एक इसमें स्पेंड बहुत अच्छा करने को मिलेगा. इसमें मैं एक आपको आगे ग्रो करने के लिए इसमें बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट मिल सकता है. तो होप सारे डाउट आपके क्लियर हो पाए होंगे. ठीक है, और रादर देन आगे चीज के लिए मैं आपसे बाद में कांटेक्ट करूंगा ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन से, तो ना यू कैन टॉक ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. यू हैव अदर क्वेश्चंस, सम पीपल, प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेके किस टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट्स रहते हैं? मोस्टली सब रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट ही रहते हैं. जैसे आप कहीं पे वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, जैसे वर्क कर रहे हो, तो आप उस प्रोजेक्ट को शो भी कर सकते हो कि मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट किया है. रादर देन मैं बाकी सारी चीज मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करता हूँ सब ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन को. आई थिंक दिस मीटिंग का एजेंडा तो क्लियर हो गया होगा. होप आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा प्लीज कॉल मी, आई विल आंसर ईच एंड एवरी आंसर्स। ओके, पर्सनली मैं आपसे भी बात कर लूंगा आप सब लोगों से। ठीक है, तो थैंक यू पूजा, थैंक यू टू गिविंग ऑल द सपोर्ट एंड सबको बताने के लिए। एंड
Okay,
बाय
welcome.
गाइस, बाय बाय बाय
Okay,
बाय
guys,
गाइस।
thank you. Bye.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, बाय।